Ooh, it's a little tight.
Hi there. Tired of having tightness in your quads? Really getting frustrated with no matter how much stretching, foam rolling, massage that you actually do, that the tightness never seems to go away? Well, what if the problem is not occurring here, but is instead occurring on the other side of the leg? Let's take a look.
Where did he come from?
So first, we need to see how well the hamstrings are working. To do that, we're going to perform a test called the straight leg raise. And it looks like this. If the leg is not able to move up to 90 degrees, that means that there's something restricting the muscles in the posterior thigh. The two structures that limit this test are either the hamstrings themselves or the sciatic nerve. The way we determine which one is involved is by this. If I take her toes and push them towards her shin, and she has no change in symptoms, that means the hamstrings are themselves the problem. If I do this and she reports an increase in symptoms or a change in symptoms, that means that the sciatic nerve is involved.
Ow.
Now that we know she's symptomatic, let's take a look at what treatment looks like. Does that feel better?
Yes, it does.
There's a big difference between treating the symptoms and treating the cause of the symptoms. Make sure you have the right diagnosis. If you want to know more, give us a call or send us a DM. Until then, guys, ciao for now.
But seriously, where did he come from?